Good morning, Diamond Crew. This is Diamond Rose back with some more jobs for this morning, and I have two that I'm going to talk about and discuss, and I'll give a third bonus job as well. Call center, customer service rep, remote to Mountain Standard Pacific Time, and it's a remote position for $14 to $15 per hour. Full time is a contract job, and the duration is 12 months for that contract job, and the training hours is 2 weeks, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 100% mandatory attendance. Training start date starts on Monday, September 19th, 2022. Hours of operation after training, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Open availability required. Full-time, 40 hours a week and 8 hours a day. Work from home requirements. Quiet space to conduct business, free of distractions. Broadband DSL, fiber internet connection with the ability to hardwire, connect through an Ethernet cord. Safeco provides all equipment needed. The only thing not provided are a desk and a chair. Workstation in home should have the space needed for two 24-inch monitors and a desktop computer. Attendance required 100% through training. Under moderate supervision, provides excellent customer service with timely and accurate information and service to policyholders, lenders, and agents for products and programs. May independently solve problems of limited scope and complexity. Performs in a fast-paced, high-production, high-volume environment that focuses heavily on customer service. Work is driven primarily by inbound calls and communications. This position is a contracted role, which is 12 months, supporting customer service for Safeco Insurance, a client company. Job responsibilities. Help customers in their time of need by building rapport, responding to and resolving inbound phone calls in a fast-paced call center environment. This is done by identifying and providing services and solutions, by processing payments, updating customer information, updating billing information, verifying coverage for third parties, resolving right track inquiries, utilizing available tools to identify and transfer cross-sale opportunities to licensed sales center, and assisting on Safeco.com. Provides first call solution for aligned work and routes customers to the appropriate party to resolve inquiries not conducted by team. Support agent customer relationships, maintain each agency's brand. Maintain accurate data in appropriate systems to reflect account activity. Tracks and captures information and data per department guidelines. Adhere to standard operating procedures and consistently utilizes resources provided. Stay updated and properly executes upon news flashes, new workflows and processes. Uphold our customer care standards by achieving individual goals on average handle time, after call work, quality, adherence, leads generation, and reliability. Billing experience preferred. Job type is contract. It's a full-time job position, and the pay is excuse me, it's a sneeze. Okay, $14 to $15 per hour. The schedule is 8 hours shift. Excuse me. Experience is call center 1 year preferred. Customer service 1 year preferred. Work location remote. And hiring insights is ongoing, needs to fill this position. And urgently hiring is got posted today. The company is Fortira Incorporated. Excuse me. Fortira Incorporated. And it's a remote position. It's a contract job for 12 months. It starts at $14, pays up to $15 per hour. So if it sounds like something you would like to do, get into it and get hired. Let's go, Diamonds. You all can do it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Now the next job is going to be a customer service representative position. It's remote. It's based in Mississippi. And it starts at $11 an hour. It is $11 an hour. Full-time position, not start. It is $11 per hour. The company name is Qualfon. If I'm saying that wrong, forgive me. Customer service experience is necessary, and typing in. You have to know things about Windows. Excuse me. High school diploma or GED. Have a little bit of an allergy thing going on, you guys. And the salary is $11 as stated above. And it's a full-time job. Now the benefits are 401k and 401k, excuse me, 401k and 401k matching, dental insurance, employee assistance program, employee discount, and flexible schedule, a spending account, and health insurance, health savings account, life insurance, paid time off, paid training, vision insurance, and work from home. Excuse me. Came out nowhere. Excuse me. Full job description. Qualfon is actively hiring remote customer service representatives. When you join our team, you could be handling customers through voice, chat, email, or our other virtual platforms, including Facebook and Twitter. And our mission, which is Qualfon mission, is to help as many individuals as possible pursue their total vocation, create an ever-growing number of career development opportunities, and be the partner of choice for all our clients. Further your education and earn a college degree through our Qualfon University program, so they offer you to go back to school and further your education. That's a great job option, and it's a great perk for when you're an employee. Free access to personal and professional support through the Qualfon Care Coaches program, medical, dental, and benefits, vision and life insurance, accident insurance for full-time employees, paid time off, opportunities to earn additional income. And this job, what you will be doing, you'll be answering incoming calls and assist customers via chat calls, Facebook, Twitter, tech visits, and text driving. And this work at home requirements must reside in the state of Mississippi in one of these counties. Choctaw, if I pronounce any of these wrong, please forgive me. Choctaw, Jasper, Jefferson, Leflore, Montgomery, Sunflower, Washington, Adams, Claiborne, Issaquena, Kemper, Lauderdale, or Newton County. Okay, and you will have to have a desktop or laptop, Apple, Mac, tablets, or smart devices, Windows, Mini, PCs, Chromebook, and Android systems are not compatible. Operating systems is Windows 10 or newer. Webcam video available. The computer must have at least 4 grams of RAM and a processor speed, a dual core 2 gigahertz or better, high-speed internet via wired Ethernet connected, no Wi-Fi, satellite, or hotspot. upload speed of 3 megabits per second, download speed of 10 megabytes per second. And you have to have an internet service provider with stable internet and with 1% of less packet loss. Pocket loss. It's pocket loss, but it's less packet loss. Latency under 100 millisecond. USB headsets, and you must have a valuable cell phone, tablet, or landline required for multi-factor authentication. You must have a noise and distraction-free work environment. And what skills you need to have a high school diploma or equivalent, comfortable working, self-managed, at least 1 year of customer service experience, and is a plus, and typing speed of 25 words per minute with 90% accuracy. Ability to multitask efficiently. Full-time hiring immediately. And if you want to check out your computer diagnostics for your computer, you go to this computer diagnostic testing website, which is www.gotestnow.com, and it has the link right here for US voice chat agent. And you copy and paste it, and you place it into the search engine, into Google or either Internet Explorer, whichever browser you have, and then you can go ahead and test your computer speed and stuff up in that, with that link right there. These are all the benefits: 401k matching, employee assistance discount, dental insurance, employee discount, flexible schedule, flexible spending account, health insurance, health savings account, life insurance, paid time off, paid training, vision insurance, and work from home. And the scheduling is 8-hour shift, day shift, evening shift, holidays, Monday through Friday, overtime, weekend availability. COVID-19 consideration is a remote work from home job position for the Montgomery, or not Montgomery. Yeah, it's for Montgomery as well, but it's a Mississippi State residents only for Choctaw. I don't know how to pronounce that. Choctaw, Jasper, Jefferson, Leflore, Montgomery, Sunflower, Washington, Adams, Claiborne, Issaquena, Kemper, Lauderdale, or Newton County. So it's a remote position. A high school diploma or equivalent is required for this job, and they're hiring 10 plus candidates, and it's urgently hiring. It's posted today. So you guys hop on it, and I'm going to briefly get to this job. This next job is going to be an international customer service coordinator, and I'm briefly go through this. It's a remote in Largo, Florida. $19 per hour. It's a temporary position for people who are college students or people who just want something part-time so they can take care of their families, and just in case if you're a full-time parent, you can have a part-time job. Paid weekly temporary job, dental, health, and vision insurance. And it's a $19 per hour job. Responsibility: provide information such as medical device, listing numbers, 510K numbers, registration numbers, manufacturer name, address, ATS codes, product codes, and descriptions to facilitate customers' clearance, mail invoices, and shipping documents to international customers. And it goes through the performance. Other duties and projects are assigned. You have to do different things like multitask and everything. And it's an equal opportunity employee, veterans and disabled people as well. So it's a job that got posted today at Attico. The company name is Attico, and they're hiring for a position, international customer service coordinator. And that's it for today, you guys. It just got posted today. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will be uploading some more today, and I hope you guys will find a job. You diamonds, you are sparkling, and you are shining, and you stay that way no matter what. And I believe in you. Let's go, let's go, let's go. See you on the next video, you guys. Have a great day.